Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to do this eye makeup look with the Essence Eyeshadow Palette Sawasdee Bangkok. I have used all the eyeshadows so you can see all of them, how they look blended on the eyes. Let me know in the comments if you want to see another eye look with this palette. I'm gonna start off with this light yellow shimmery shade to highlight my brow bone, and I'm using the eyeshadow brush by Essence. After that, I'm taking this light beige matte shade to use it as my transition color. I'm diffusing this with the eye blender brush by Essence. I'm blending the color all over the crease area towards the brow bone with windshield wiper motions. I always like blending my eyeshadows into layers. This is going to help having less harsh edges on the eyes. Moving on to this light brown matte shade with the brush 221 by Zoeva, I'm buffing the eyeshadow in the crease area and I'm trying to keep the color closer to the eyelid. I'm trying to blend the outer crease very well upwards. Next, I'm going in with this matte brick red shade and I'm pressing my brush on the outer eyelid. With the tip of the brush, I'm going over the edges of this color. With the following eyeshadow, I'm blending the previous color in the outer crease and I'm also giving a warmer color to the eye look. With the first layer of this shade, I'm packing the color on my eyes and then I'm going back and forth to blend any edges. This shade has a light muted orange color with a matte finish and it looks great into the crease. I'm diffusing this with the brush 225 by Zoeva. To highlight the inner eyelid, I'm taking this shimmery top eyeshadow with a clean eyeshadow brush by Essence. I'm also trying to blend the two colors on the eyelid lightly with my brush. I'm taking some more with my fingertip to make it shinier and I'm pressing softly on the eyelid. I'm going back to the red brick shade and I'm applying some more to intensify the outer part of the eyelid. Now I want to use this darker matte brown shade with a double-ended brush by Urban Decay and I'm smudging that in the outer lower lash line. I'm using two light layers of this eyeshadow to make it more noticeable. Up next, I'm going to take this darker gold shimmery shade with the same brush and I'm diffusing this in the inner part of the lower lash line. I'm dragging my brush towards the outer part to blend the two colors together and give an ombre effect. I'm picking up the orange eyeshadow and with this one I'm going over the edges of the lower lash line. This way the colors are going to blend into my skin tone. I'm taking my time with this step because I don't want to apply a lot of pressure on the under eye area. The skin there is lighter and more delicate and this way I'm gonna prevent the appearance of finer lines. With the light gold shade, I'm going in the inner corner of the eyes to highlight them and I'm using a pencil brush by Morphe. I'm also buffing the edges very lightly with the tip of the brush and I'm trying to blend everything together. I continue by taking this light creamy shade. It is matte with some silvery sparkles and I'm diffusing this in the inner crease to blend the edges of the warmer colors. After that, I'm taking the brown eyeshadow with the eyebrow brush by Essence and I'm pressing this very close to the upper and the lower lashes. This is going to define the eye shape even more and give a cat eye effect to them. For mascara, I have used the You Better Work Length and Definition Mascara by Essence. This is one of my new favorite palettes by Essence and you can find even more Essence makeup tutorials on my channel. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell and I will see you in the next one. Bye!